Hello and welcome back to Sonya's Prep. In this week's video, I wanted to share with you my Moroccan fish recipe that I make for Shabbat. I start off by placing in about 3 tablespoons of oil into a skillet and adding in a few sprigs of cilantro stems. I then add some jalapenos and some chili peppers, as well as a few cloves of sliced garlic. After sauteing the vegetables for a few minutes, I arrange all of the jalapenos and tomatoes nicely on the skillet and get everything ready for my fish to go over the top. This recipe can definitely be made with other types of fish to your liking. I then season the fish with some salt, black pepper, some cooked fish seasoning mix. There are different varieties of this mix that I see in the stores. If you don't have the specific kind, you can just add in paprika, some garlic powder and onion powder, and maybe some chili flakes. I then also add in some chicken seasoning or the Consommé seasoning. And I have a few crushed tomatoes here that I had left over, so I'm going to be placing that in as well with a little bit of water. Take the rest of the cilantro, chop them up, or rip them with your hands just like I did, and place it over the top of the fish. Let that come to a boil, cover the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes until it's fully cooked through. While it's cooking for those 15 minutes, don't forget to take your spoon and baste the fish with all of that delicious sauce. You can enjoy this Moroccan fish just as is, or you could add in olives and chickpeas, just like I am doing here. Let me know if you're team olives and chickpeas or not. Sometimes I just enjoy my fish and that delicious sauce, and at other times I want it to be more hearty and filling. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your preference. If you enjoyed this recipe video, I would love it if you would give me a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to leave me your comment with your preference, and I'll see you next time.